All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a time when you were late. So please, you can start.
Well, honestly speaking, I am a punctual person, so I'm trying to reach anywhere before time. So I sometimes I feel very lucky because I got these attributes from my father. He was a well-disciplined person. I remember that uh, it was my first day at my university, so and it was going to held a first orientation class. So whenever I was reached over the road, so there was a massive strike. So I was struck in a massive traffic. So the all roads are blocked.
Roads were blocked.
Yes, okay. Roads were blocked. So, but after some uh, about half an hour, it was over, and traffic was flowing smoothly. So I reached at university, and whenever I reached at the entrance of my class, and whenever doors were opened, I entered. So I saw the hall was full with people or students, and all faculty members were there. So even our head of department was also there, and he steered me, and I feel very terrible at
Okay,
that
I
moment.
felt petrified, terrified, and all that. So there are grammatical mistakes like that. Fluency is good. Understanding of the topic is good as well. Just try to brush up these minor mistakes, okay?
I got it.
Now we go on to speaking part 3. Are you ever late for anything?
No, most of the time I never late, and I'm trying to always reach anywhere on time or
What
before time.
excuses do you give when you are late?
Uh, Earlier, I mentioned that mostly I try to reach on time or before time, so I don't need to make excuse in front of anyone.
Okay, why are people often late for appointments or meetings?
Uh, as far as my observations are concerned, so I think people have a issue with their time management. So whenever they have no proper plan to manage their time, so they get reached late.
Okay, all right, that's fine. Overall, it's good. At the moment, I'm giving you 6 band, but if you improve these grammatical
Yes,
mistakes,
sir.
if you overcome them and speak better than that, you can easily reach up to 6.5. At present, your level is of 6.5,
Okay.
right? But you can take it to 7 as well, right?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.